Understanding the phrase, bristle at. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. If you've ever heard someone say they bristle at something and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore this interesting phrase, why we use it, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in and unpack the meaning of bristle at together. The phrase, bristle at, is an idiomatic expression in English. To bristle literally means for hairs to stand up, like a cat's fur when it's scared or threatened. When we use it figuratively, as in bristle at, it describes a person who is showing signs of being annoyed, offended, or angry. They might react in a way that suggests they are ready for a confrontation or to defend themselves, just as an animal's bristles stand up when it's on alert. When we break down the phrase, bristle refers to the reaction one has, which is usually instantaneous and defensive. At is a preposition that indicates the direction of the bristle, usually towards a comment, action, or person. So, when someone says they bristle at something, it's as if they are saying their metaphorical fur is standing up in response to it. Let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. She bristled at the suggestion that she was not qualified for the job, knowing she had all the necessary skills. He bristled at the idea of someone else taking credit for his work. In each case, the person is having a strong, negative emotional reaction to what has been said or done. You can use bristle at in formal and informal situations. It's particularly useful when you want to convey that someone didn't just get a little upset, they had a strong and immediate reaction. However, it's more often used in descriptive writing or by someone reflecting on another's reaction rather than in direct dialogue. We hope this video has made the meaning of bristle at clear and that you feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning English is all about adding new phrases to your vocabulary and understanding the nuances of their meanings. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to bristle at any challenges that come your way on your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you.